KSOS2 has a fairly simple and easy-to-use interface. Immediately after installing KSOS2, the application icon will appear in the Microsoft Windows taskbar notification area. This icon is an indicator of the application's operation. It also provides access to the context menu, the main application window, and the news display window. As an indicator reflects the protection status and shows a number of basic functions performed by the application. By default, the icon animation is enabled. For example, during the scan of an email message, a message icon pulses against the application icon, and during the update of the application databases, a small globe is revolving. If the icon is in color, it means that all or some protection components are enabled on your computer. If the icon is gray, it means that all protection components are disabled. Hover the cursor over the icon and right-click it to open the context menu. Hover the cursor over the icon and left-click it to open the main application window. You can run basic protection tasks from the context menu, which contains the following items. Update starts updates for application modules and databases. Scan full or objects scans the entire computer scan or specific files, folders, and etc. Virtual keyboard shows virtual keyboard on the screen. Kaspersky Small Office Security opens the main application window. Settings opens the settings window for editing. Activate activates the application with the commercial license if the application has not been activated before. About displays the window with the information about the application. Pause protection, resume protection temporarily enables protection components. This menu option does not affect the application's updates or the execution of virus scans. Network control disables network management for the current account. Exit closes Kaspersky Small Office Security. When this option is selected, the application will be discarded from the computer's RAM. If when you open a context menu, a virus scan task is running, its name will be displayed in the shortcut menu with a percentage progress indication. After selecting a task, you can go to the report window to view current performance results. The main application window keeps the elements which provide access to all main functions of the application. In order to open the main application window, hover the cursor over the application icon in the taskbar notification area and left-click it. Or, in the context menu, select the Kaspersky Small Office Security item. The main application window can be divided into three parts. The top part of the window indicates your computer's current protection status. Green indicates that your computer's protection is at the correct level. Yellow and red colors indicate that there are security threats in the system configuration. In addition to malicious programs, threats include obsolete application databases, disabled protection components, and the selection of minimum protection settings, etc. Clicking the indicator in the main application window, you can open the Protection Status window. The window shows detailed information about the computer protection status and the variants, how to eliminate the problems and threats. The left part of the window provides quick access to any function of the application, including enabling and disabling protection components, virus scan tasks, updates, etc. The right part of the window contains information about the application function selected in the left part, allows to configure its settings, provides tools for executing virus scan tasks, retrieving updates, etc. You can also use the following links. Settings to open the application settings window. Quarantine to work with the quarantined objects. Reports to open the reports of the components of the application. Help to open Kaspersky Small Office Security Help. My Kaspersky account To open my Kaspersky account on the Technical Support Service site. Support. To open the windows containing the information about the system and the links to Kaspersky Labs information resources. Technical Support Service site forum. License. To open the window with the activation information of Kaspersky Small Office Security and the button to prolong the license validity period. If events occur during the operation of KSOS2, special notifications will be displayed on the screen as pop-up messages above the application icon in the Microsoft Windows taskbar. Notifications are displayed when several scenarios of an event are possible. For example, when connecting a removable drive or flash card, a notification will pop up suggesting to scan the removable drive. The program will offer you to choose one action out of several possible actions. A notification window disappears only after you have selected one of the actions offered in the window. Pop-up messages normally have an informative character and do not demand from you to select an action. Some pop-up messages contain the links which help you to perform the recommended or required action. For example, to launch update of antivirus databases or activate the application. Pop-up messages automatically disappear soon after their appearance. Depending on how critical the event is for computer security, you might receive the following types of notifications. Alarm. A critical event has occurred. For instance, a virus or dangerous activity has been detected on your system. You should immediately decide how to deal with this threat. This type of notification is color-coded in red. Warning. A potentially dangerous event has occurred. For instance, potentially infected files or suspicious activity have been detected on your system. You should decide how dangerous you think this event is. This type of notification is color-coded in yellow. Info. This notification gives information about non-critical events. Minor notifications are color-coded in green. The Application Settings window is used to configure the main KSOS2 settings, separate protection components, scan, and update tasks. The main Settings window can be opened via the Settings link in the upper part of the main application window or via the Settings item in the context menu. The Settings window consists of three parts. The left upper part of the window provides access to the main application functions. The left part of the window provides access to the application components, virus scan tasks, update tasks, etc., which should be configured. The right part of the window contains a list of settings for the component, task, etc., selected in the left part of the window.